Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Wix blog post layout so you can create a stunning, professional reading experience that matches your brand and keeps your audience engaged in 2026. Let's get into it. First, access the Wix site editor and blog section. The first step is getting into the design backend of your website. Wix has updated its interface in 2026, so navigating to the correct page is essential to unlock the specific blog layout tools. Log in to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site in the top right corner. Once the editor loads, go to the Pages and Menu icon on the left sidebar. Scroll down to the Blog Pages section and select Post. In 2026, Wix distinguishes between the blog feed, where all your posts are listed, and the post page, the individual page for a single article. By selecting Post, you are entering the master template. Any changes you make here will automatically apply to every single blog post you've ever written, ensuring a consistent look across your entire site without manual editing. Next, enter the post page settings. Now that you are on the specific post template, you need to activate the customization panel that controls the structure of the page. Click anywhere on the blog post content area in the center of your screen. A small floating menu will appear. Click on the Settings button. In the Settings window that pops up, navigate to the Design tab. You will see a list of categories including post header, text, buttons, and background. The Design tab is the skin of your blog. In 2026, Wix has expanded these options to allow for much deeper branding. While the Layout tab handles where things go, the Design tab handles how they look, allowing you to match your blog's colors and fonts perfectly to your primary brand identity. Lastly, customize the display elements. A great layout isn't just about the text, it's about what information you choose to show or hide from your readers. While still in the blog settings, click on the Display tab. Use the toggles to decide if you want to show the author name, publish date, reading time, and social sharing icons. In 2026, clean design is a major trend. Many creators are hiding the publish date to keep their content looking evergreen. By toggling these elements on or off, you control the visual clutter. Adding the reading time is a great way to improve user experience, as it lets your visitors know exactly how much time they need to commit to your article before they start reading. And that's pretty much it. To edit your Wix blog post layout in 2026, navigate to the Post page in your editor and click on Settings. Use the Layout tab to choose your structure, the Display tab to toggle elements like reading time, and the Design tab to polish your typography. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.